Hi, I am Glitchy Voorhees, the guy behind the account. I'm not really named Glitchy Voorhees, I'm Zane, but everyone calls me Glitchy because it's my nickname. I used to be a YouTuber known as the Glitchy GameTube Kid, and then that channel got lost to YouTube, so yay! That's gone. So I became, a TikToker and a cosplayer. Because why the hell not? Ain't got nothing else to do. I'm 18, so I'm grown. Yay, woohoo. And ain't got the beard to show it no more. So yeah. Anyways, in today's video, I am sanding down a Jason mask. Now, I said I would wait till 100 followers on TikTok. I didn't say this on YouTube, I said it on TikTok. But, I want to sand it now, and then when I hit 100 followers on TikTok, I will drill the holes. I have done a diagram of that. So, okay, there's that. And I guess enjoy the video. There was really no point in doing this introduction. Just a waste of time. Okay, let's do this shit.